Hi, I'm Chris from Brinson Marine, and I'm here at one of our customers' docks so I can show you how we like to take off Canopy vinyls and fold them so that next year when you go put them back on, it's nice and easy and it's easy to store. There's three main steps, which is removing the bungees from the inside, taking it off the frame itself, and then putting it on the ground and folding it up nice and neat so when you go roll it back out, it just rolls right into place and everything. So let's take a look.